take the straw and insert it in the hole at the bottom of the bottle, making sure the straw is pointing downward and the other end of the straw is in the cup. Then you're going to take the sealant and seal around the straw opening. Making sure to cover the entire opening. Make sure you tilt the straw downward so that it can seal that way. Wait 24 hours. Once you waited your 24 hours, you'll take 2 pieces of tape to tape up the 2 top holes in the bottle. Once you are done with that, try to securely put the balloon on the top. Once you know it fits well, take it off and begin to pour your water into your bottle. You want to make sure the water is above the straw. Next, blow up your balloon. After you blow up your balloon, it's best to twist it so that you can keep as much air as you want inside of the balloon. Then, place the balloon back on top of the bottle. Once you have secured the balloon on the bottle, release it, making sure the end of the straw is over a cup.